Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Make sure you subscribe down below. So today's tutorial, we're about to use this hair from Curlsqueen.com. This is their Water Kinky Curly hair and I got it in 22 inches. This is a half wig. So the hair straight out of the package, it has these combs on the inside that will anchor to your braid. It has an adjustable strap and the wig is a very breathable and lightweight. I'm loving how the curl pattern is looking on this wig. So I'm like, you know what? It should be a very good blend. And the hair is thick and fluffy. Okay, so before I go ahead and install the wig, I went ahead and do a wash and condition. And this is how the hair is looking like after it is wet. So I haven't put any products in there as yet, but I'm definitely going to use mousse in the hair and then a little bit of oil sheen. So this is my leave out. So I'm going to do two styles for you guys today. So I just wanted to show you just wearing the half wig as is first before we go into our second style. So this is the hair semi-dry. It's not fully dried. I put some mousse in it and it's about 75% dry. So it still has that like wet look to it. So we wanted to try like a wet look type of vibe. So I left out some of my hair in the front. And then I'm just going to do the adjustments in the back, make sure that my combs are all in. And I have just the amount of leave out that I want to have with this. So this is what the hair is looking like. So now it is time to blend my hair. Now this hair, as I said, is a Water Kinky Curly hair. So it's more on the 3B, 3C texture, which is not my texture. My texture is the 4, more like a 4B. So it's time to manipulate, but I don't want to use heat for this. And also I don't feel like I have any iron that would be like tightly coiled like this. So my hair is blow dried. So what I decided to do is not wet my hair, but to put the gel on my dry ends so that they could still stay semi straight. So they will revert a bit, but not fully if I had wet my hair. And then now I'm going to use some edge gel. You can use whatever edge gel you want. And then I'm just going to sleek the edge gel onto the front of my hair just to like give me a little bit of laid wet look type of style. So I'm just going to use my little brush and brush my hair in. And again, at this point I haven't wet my hair, and this is just my little method of doing it so my hair doesn't revert fully. And then I'm just going to do a little bit of swoop to the doop, nothing too crazy, nothing too extra, just a little swoop. And this is just an easy put on type of thing, like, you know, if you're having a hair day and you just want like a quick little style and you're even in between styles, you know, you have that perfect half wig in the closet that you could take out and just put on. So this is just basically what we're doing. So now I'm just trying to shape it up a bit. I wanted to give it a little bit more shape, seeing which side I want to flip over. Now I'm just going to go back in with this mousse. This mousse is from Cake Beauty. Oh my god, it's one of my favorite mousse because of how defining the curls it makes your curls. So I just put that on the hair even though it's not like fully dry. And yeah, this is how it's looking with the hair in its natural state as just a simple flip over type of style. Now moving on to our second style with our half wig, I wanted to do some cornrows, and as you can see my nails are long. I can do a little something when it comes to doing cornrows and braids now, but I'm still not perfect. So I'm still trying to do a little style. So I'm like, you know what, we're gonna cornrow the front, do a little Fulani braids in the front just to switch it up. So basically I'm just showing you different ways that you can wear your half wig, because half wig is one of the most versatile product that you can invest in because it just keeps on giving when it comes to hairstyles. You can do a half up, half down, a flip over method. You can do a Fulani braid and curly hair in the back on vacation, or just like any regular day. Like, oh my god, half wigs for me all summer long. Okay, so then now just ignore how I am doing these braids, okay? Like, a girl is trying. So yeah, fingers a little bit awkward, but I'm getting the hang of it. So now that my braids are all done, I'm just gonna add some elastics on it. Now when you're adding the elastic, it doesn't have to be tight. You already braided the hair. The elastic is just going to serve one sole purpose, and it's to anchor the hair to the braids. So I'm just gonna do 2 big old braids in the back, nothing serious, just basically to keep my hair away so that we can put on the wig. And also I don't want the wig to be bulky if I was like to put my hair in like a bun or something, so I felt like just doing 2 big cornrows in the back was the perfect fit for this. So now it's time to install our wig. So I just attach my combs. You don't want to put the combs all the way too much onto the front, because you don't want the combs to be on the braid, because we're just going to use the curly piece through the elastic to hide the half wig. So let me show you how we are going to disguise this by doing this style without leave out. So first I lift the elastic and I pull a piece of curly hair through at the front. So you want to make sure that you're using a curly piece that is directly in front of each braid, so that it's gonna hide, and also it's gonna give the illusion that, you know, it's coming out of your scalp, it's your hair, and also it's gonna hide the half wig. And it will help you to keep this as a protective style so that you don't have to have any leave out for it to look blended. So now this is the final look. I'm just touching up my edges just a little bit. Still searching for the perfect edge control, because I just feel like everything just gives a white look afterwards. Like, y'all give me the recommendations that won't leave my hair white. Okay, so this is our final look. Let me know what you guys think about each look that I did, and what you think about this hair. This hair is just giving effortless and fun. Can you imagine how big and beautiful it's gonna be once it is dry? The link for this unit will be in my description box down below. I love y'all so much for watching. Go and big up on yourself. Bye guys.